how to enable haptic feedback on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm excited to show you how to enable haptic feedback on your iPhone. This feature adds a nice touch to your interactions, giving you gentle vibration whenever you tap a keyboard key or change a setting. So let's dive right in, head over to your settings and then scroll down and go to sounds and haptics. Here you'll find various options related to haptic feedback. Scroll down and then go to keyboard feedback. Now make sure that the sound option is toggled on and then turn on haptic as well. This will ensure that every time you type, you'll feel that satisfying vibration. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.